Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today I'm going to be looking at the CVLIFE Shotgun Cleaning Kit. Alright, so the Shotgun Cleaning Kit is going to come in this nice black case here. It has the CVLIFE logo on the top. Nothing here on the bottom or the sides. Let's take a look inside. So first off, we have our cleaning kit manual. So this is everything that the cleaning kit contains. And then also the notes for using the cleaning kit. So you have step-by-step instructions, which I'll demonstrate. And also your guides for the cleaning process. Really good to have. This is your first time cleaning. And then down inside, we have some cleaning mops here, some cleaning brushes, your attachment. You also have this solvent bottle here. I actually love the ones that come with this tip here, so you don't have excess spills or anything like that. It just gets you the right amount. It has this nice little cap. Here's a brush. You also have the different rods here, so depending on the barrel lengths, you can attach this to make this longer or just the right fit. And then you also get some cleaning cloths here. Really nice to have. Overall, really good compact kit, so you can store this really easy. You can see the size of my hands. It's small enough to store away and then pull out whenever you need it. And another thing to note, you can actually use this for 12 gauge, 20 gauge, or even 410 gauge. You can also see here on the brushes, there is a number 12 there. So this is the 12 gauge bore brush. And then over here is 20. So that's the 20 gauge. And of course, the smallest one here is going to be the 410. So you have everything nicely labeled. You don't have to second guess yourself. Everything's here labeled for you. See, 410. There's a 20. And the 12 gauge. All right, guys, so let's go over the demonstration for the guides for cleaning process. So here I have a 12 gauge Remington barrel. So the first step, it says to attach the rotating T-handle. So that's going to be this here. And we're going to use all of these extension rods. Just tighten all these on. Since this is a longer barrel, I'm going to use all of the provided rods here. So you can see the length here. All right, and the second step is to use the slotted tip. So we're going to place the cleaning patch onto the slotted tip and then saturate it with solvent. I used CLP Lucas solvent here. Filled it in this nice bottle that they provide. So do that. What I typically like to do is just fold these in half and fold it one more time. And then you can feed it through. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and put some on. Just like that. Put it on both sides. And then I'm actually going to use this tip here. that I can attach the slotted tip. So it'll be just like this. I'm going to run it through the bore. You always want to do it from this side through. So do that a couple times. Just like that. Go, you can see getting some of that dirt off. So now that we have the solvent in there, we're going to use the bronze brush. So that's step 3. So you have to do is remove the slotted tip and connect the brush. There we go. And I also made sure that it was the right size, so that's the 12 gauge. I'm going to run it through again. So you want to push it through there, and you'll see it comes out from the other side. Feed it through a couple times. Just like that. This will get all the powder that's wedged in there out. Now I'm going to unscrew the brush here and then use the provided mop. So this is the 12 gauge. This will help dry off any excess lubrication, anything that the brush missed. You can do the same thing. Push that through. You see it pop out on the outside there. So here the cotton mop, you can see that it picked up some of that fouling that the bore brush did not. So it's good to do that in that step, in that order. So you want to use the slotted tip here and then move on to your brush and then go on to your cleaning mop. And now we have a really clean barrel. And after you're done with your cleaning, you can go ahead and put all of the different tools and attachments back into their place. Close it up and zip it up and put it away. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE Shotgun Cleaning Kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.